Welcome, today we're going to show you how to actually buy and sell using Qogita. So Qogita website actually will connect you to a lot of sellers from the whole world, so you can actually buy and sell using Qogita with ease. So if you want to buy anything from any product, like if you want to buy a product like this, you can actually just go to the product and see the wholesale price. So you can just click on it. Now you need to actually be signed up and logged into your account. After that, you can put the quantity that you want from any product that you need to buy. After you put the quantity, you can actually just complete your purchase and Qogita will actually connect you to the best seller for this item. So there's actually multiple sellers on Qogita that can sell you the same item. So Qogita will analyze the delivery place and the market prices so they can actually offer you the best seller. After that, you can actually just pay and the products will be delivered to the place that you want. Also, to sell on Qogita, you need to actually just apply for a seller account, and after you do so, you can do the same just about your products and the place that your products are located in. After you complete all the information and add your products, now you can just start selling in Qogita. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.